wiring up a 483 phase motor. Wiring starts with the terminal L1, L2, L3, the leg coming from the back. There's 3, there's 2, there's 1. 1 at 1 and 12. Leg 1. Wires 2 and 10 are connected. Leg 2. Wires 3 and 11 are connected to leg 3. That's 6 little wires out of the 12. The other wiring is as follows: 7 and 4. 5 and 8, 6 and 9. That's how you wire up a 3-phase 480 motor. That's a high voltage 480 motor. So your wiring diagram is set right here. And this is the one we're looking at because we're going to be running. Not a start, it's a run. We're going to run the motor, it will be running. We'll be running off of the pulley system. We just replaced this motor as a new motor. So we're wiring it up correctly. The wires also go down to a panel or a disconnect, which has to be wired up correctly. 1, 2, and 3 according to brown, orange, and yellow, which is brown is L1, orange L2, yellow is L3. Okay?